All right, I'm Dr. Paul, and we have just finished up our chiropractic personal injury documentation seminar. We're here with Dr. Justin. Scale of 1 to 10, how was it?
10.
10? Okay. Now, we said in the beginning, we said we were going to teach you 5 big categories. We said we were going to teach you the top 5 financial drivers, did we?
Yes.
A little or a lot?
A lot.
Great detail or vague in general?
Very great detail.
Okay. We said we were going to teach you the 4 categories of documentation necessary to defend a case. Did we do that?
Yes.
In detail or general?
Detail.
We went in detail, didn't we? We said we were going to teach the categories of the 12 steps to tell the story, right?
Right.
How important is that?
Very.
Pretty important. The 4 types of injury award offers. No offer, low offer, policy limit award. Remember that?
Yeah.
Pretty important, is it?
Yeah.
Your documentation is going to determine one of those categories, isn't it?
Correct.
Now you know how that works, don't you?
Yeah.
And then the last category was remember the financial claims worksheet, which is unbelievable to the attorney. That's what converts the doctor's documentation into an injury award. Remember that?
Yes.
How important was that?
Very important.
We showed how a typical soft tissue spinal injury easily can be worth $110,000 through 4 different types of injury awards with high specificity, didn't we?
Yes.
Was that pretty good or what?
Yeah, that's good.
What was the biggest takeaway that you got this weekend?
A lot.
What would you say, like a number 1? You go, wow, that was pretty important.
The 5 main financial drivers and how, say, 90% of doctors and attorneys don't even know them.
Right. As a matter of fact, when you first started learning it, you actually you were telling me you had a pretty good interaction with an attorney, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
What was that happened again? You took some of this information and you brought it to one of your attorneys, and what happened?
Yeah, I explained to him how we can go from a low ball to a high ball offer.
So you basically took this information and explained how you can stop his problems and help him, didn't you?
Right.
And how did he like that?
He really liked it. Invited
Right.
me to his office. Wanted me to meet his whole staff.
Right.
And explain it more in detail.
And that never happened before that you knew this information, did it?
No.
You didn't
I
have
got
you didn't have attorneys prior to knowing this information. They didn't routinely just invite you in and want you to meet their staff and explain this to their staff. They didn't do that before, did they?
No, and they didn't give me a referral. So
Before.
a week later.
Before.
Yeah, before.
And then a week later, what?
Got a referral.
Right.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.